Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. What luck! The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You wanted too much of. You're back. You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you, mostly. Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and run with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your traction beam. You're getting warmed up. Enemy scouts incoming. No gunners? Let's hope your pilots can dodge. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Endor, let's see what we find. Buckle up. Choose the right speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate with your tractor beam. Stay on target.
Engineers, how many crates do we have?
Stay off the comms, Onaka. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Nice flying. Grogu, open the hatch. land here. I got you. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make a jump to light speed. They're heading for Cloud City. Fine. Stay on his tail. Pilots, you're up. Watch out for that cable. Dead cleric. Stuck today. Driving towards explosives. Company. Fires incoming. Gunners, take him out. On the one second.
Oh my god!
Tractor beam. I'm on my way. Grogu, don't get into trouble. Keep steady so I can cut you loose. Bounty in hand. Prepare to leave. Fast. That's not a toy. Head for the clouds and hold on tight. Hit the boosters. Right pilot, jump to light speed. Now. There's your Luxie. Simulated traffic. Switching to ion cannon.
Hello, engineers. Remember more crates. Credits.
They're working on our number. After them. We'll rendezvous on the other side. Watch out for those power couplings. They'll disable the ship. Nice catch, Ken. Oh no, enemy ships incoming. Break the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. Republic excellence. Look out. Hit the boosters. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. Respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.